How to embed Donorbox donation form on website. The first thing you want to do once on your Donorbox dashboard, you are going to go over to the left hand menu option and select campaigns. After selecting campaigns, you're going to select the campaign that you would like to embed onto your website. So you're going to tap on the campaign name. Then at the top, you're going to see the option Embed Form. You're going to tap right there. After selecting Embed Form, from here, all you'll need to do now, from the right hand column, you can see a preview of how it looks. And we're just going to scroll down and you want to select whether you want the embed form or you want a pop-up form. You can see different options you can choose from. So let's say we were to select embed form. After selecting embed form, you can choose whether it is a one-time payment or monthly. You can select whichever one of these options. Once you have done that, you're going to scroll down and you can choose the show campaign description or auto scroll donation form. You have different options that you can choose from. And you're just going to tap on copy code. After you have copied the code, let's say we would like to add it onto this website. We would select embed. And you can also embed it on your WordPress website by selecting HTML. Then you'll simply paste in the code. After you have added the code, you're just going to tap on next. Then you'll select insert and you can see the form has been added right there. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.